This is a story-driven game. And if you want to be a part of that story, it is going to be one of the most inspiring things you're going to do.
You look around and it's time to start role-playing. Everyone's nervous, everyone feels a little embarrassed. And it doesn't matter how long you've been doing it, doesn't matter if you're a theater kid or not, everyone feels vulnerable in that instance.
By session 30 or 40, you're fully committed and would probably die for these people around you.
Telling stories is just a part of human culture. It is what we do, it is how we express ourselves. You get to decide what direction you go here.
Sometime when I was about 16, I got into a game called Warhammer 40K, and when I found out I can build these models, paint these models, and then play them in a game, they don't just sit on a shelf collecting dust, it's what got me into it.
To act out, to roll dice, and to play as those characters inherently will always, it's intrinsically, it's tied in there, they will always bring out joy for most people. And you can see it on that person's face when they're so excited that they did it. They overcame the terrible thing they did, the bad rolls they've been having all night, the dumb decision they made. They forgot a character ability, they forgot this, they forgot that, and they messed up and it cost something big and they just beat themselves up and then bam, they're the reason everyone's alive.
Instead of feeling like I'm actually playing with a couple of plastic models on a table, I feel like I am commanding this army of giant trees. And there's something special to that that can't be achieved with just an army of plastic.
A term called immersion comes up. You know, you want that immersion. You want to feel like you're in that battle and getting to, partake in it. Rather than seeing a gray plastic miniature, you see a fully painted guy who looks like he's ready to go to war.
This is my moldy beholder.
Community is everything wargaming. If you don't have a solid community, then you're not going to get a game off the ground.
It's a good evening when you can, play games with friends.